students. Now I am going to give you the challenge questions of chapter 1 and chapter 2. Okay. So from chapter 1, only one challenge question is there. Your question is, gases fill the whole container in which they are enclosed. Why? It means that gas molecules fill the whole container in which you keep that gas. Why? What is the reason? So your answer is, gases fill the whole container in which they are enclosed. Enclosed means filled. Okay. Gases fill the whole container in which they are enclosed or kept because the molecules of gas are very loosely packed. When I was explaining about the features of the gas molecules, I told you that the molecules of the gases are very loosely packed. Okay, the molecules are very far away from each other. Intermolecular space is maximum in gas. Remember, no? Okay, so because the molecules of gas are very loosely packed, therefore they move freely in all direction. Okay, therefore they move freely in all direction and acquire means and get the shape of the container. Okay, this is your answer number 1. Okay, now in chapter 2, your first question is, why is the germination of seed an example of a chemical change? Why germination of seed is an example of a chemical change? So I am explaining you that germination of seed is an example of chemical change because after germination we are getting a new plant. Okay, that is totally different from the seed. Okay, whatever the new plant we are getting, that is totally different from the seed. Okay, the characteristic features of the plant is totally different from the seed. Okay, so we are getting a new substance, that is why it is a chemical change, and that new plant we cannot change it into seed again, so it is an irreversible change also. Okay, so that is why germination of seed is an example of a chemical change. Okay, so your answer is, germination of seed is an example of a chemical change because seed develops into a new complete plant which is permanent. Okay, it is a chemical change because when a seed gets germinate, it never turns back in the form of seed. Okay, when the seed gets germinate, we cannot get back the seed again. It means after germination we get a new substance, that is plant, which shows totally different characters from that of the seed. Okay, the characters of the seed is totally different from the characters of the plant. Okay, and it is a irreversible too. Okay, so these are the reason why germination of seed is an example of a chemical change. Now in chapter 2, one more question is there. So I am just writing the answer. Okay, question you write from the book. Here I am writing answer number 2. Okay, your question is, the gas cylinder we use at home has LPG in the form of a liquid. However, when you switch on a stove, it first converts to gas which burns. And so which form of change of this? Explain with reason. Okay, so your question is that the gas cylinder we use at home has LPG in the form of a liquid. Okay, in the gas cylinder LPG is there, it is in the form of liquid, but when you switch on a stove, it first it converts to gas, okay, which burns. So what form of change is this? So your answer is answer number 2. It is a physical change. It is a physical change. Since only states are changing, and no new substance is formed in it. only states are changing and no new substance is formed in it. So this is the answer number 2 of challenge question chapter 2. Okay, so from chapter number 1 and chapter number 2, exercises, question answer and challenge the question, everything is completed. No need to write the exercise in your copy, only question answer, short answer and long answer and challenge questions you have to write in your copy. Okay, and you have to learn it also. Thank you so much.